gon' creep down, catch him though. Pull up, we gon' strafe him though. Yeah, that's that message though. I know that you get it though. I know that you be seeing me, these niggas wanna beat me. We put them on the TV, you know that is the real. Best believe I keep that block jumping, bro. I keep that block high. I told that nigga back about that way, nigga. This is my spot. Them niggas jump in the car, yeah, they be spinning with them bitches. Niggas say they come, they say they finna put up on it. Rollin', rollin', rollin'. Yeah, we rollin', 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 rollin'. You know we gon' win, niggas, they don't know this. You know we coming through the back and we got more bliss. Yeah, we got more things. Wow, 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 well. Pull up and that nigga say he better with his vid. Just know that we coming, I got nigga that aim at the neck. Nigga, you can come, but nigga, you can try your best. Look what you on, look what you did, look what you heard. When these in the back door, they say they swerving. These niggas talk about shutty, you, she made me nervous. They pull up with her since I they be purging. Oh, no, Rihanna, but I told her it's not working. She told me that she just wanna get her Birkin. My niggas, I say, yeah, you know these niggas lurking.
All day lurking. Yeah. Stomach J, you know I'm fucking demon. Nigga gonna die without that beam, you ain't stupid, nigga. Hey. And I told that nigga he gon' die. Hey, stand over that stupid nigga. He gon' die, put that blick at his head. Now he rap about his mates and that nigga died. Hey, Stomach J, you know he bang the foes now. Hey, Stomach J, you never feel ya, he bang now. Hey, we lurking all day, lurking. Baby girl, what you been? Hit that bar in his face, you say she miss me, okay. I'm finna hit the spot, I'm finna go knock on her door, okay. She be like, where you been? She smell that perfume on me, baby, I ain't been nowhere, nigga. Hey, matter of fact, I'm a thug nigga, fuck you, and fuck yo too, and all day lurking. We finna catch her all now, we finna hit that boy, bust him in his fucking dome. Stomach J lurking, these niggas know what we bang, we throw them fucking balls.